All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here and got some more cases for a review and unboxing for y'all today for the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So as you can see, these are from Tech 21. They're the Evo Check. So today I have Smokey Black and Classic Blue. There is one more color, which is Luminous Pink, but as you can see, I don't have that one here. But I did pick these up from Best Buy for $39.99. Now you can pick these up on Tech 21's website. They are $39.95 on there with no shipping charges. But if you're like me, I would probably rather just go pick them up at Best Buy and spend the extra 5 cents. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the box here. So I'm going to go ahead and look at the Smokey Black one first. So as far as the unboxing and everything goes, they're identical boxes, everything. So front, as you can see, I'll go ahead and just do them both side by side actually. So Tech 21 Evo Check non-slip case to protect your phone and camera. 12 feet of impact protection, hygienic protection. So basically, they're made with a microbe-reducing material that helps keep the cases hygienically clean. So the built-in formula actually reduces microbes up to about 99.99%. So a lot of these case companies lately have been really pushing this hygienic protection just because of COVID and all that good stuff. So they're just letting you know that it helps with germs on your hands and sweat and things like that. It helps kill those. And then as far as everything goes, safeguard for your camera. So there's a lip around the camera that's going to help with protection, with keeping it, getting all scratched up and banged up. And then of course it does say iPhone 12/12 Pro. But what's funny is on the blue one, it says iPhone 2020 6.1 inch. So if you've seen any of my recent videos, I prefer that one versus this one. So that's just me. And then on the side, same thing, Evo Check, Tech 21, Evo Check, Tech 21, UPCs on the bottom. And then on the back, I'll just go ahead and focus on this one because they're identical. Talks about how their innovative products fit for the modern world, and it continuously explores new ways to reduce our impact on it. So, the whole green stuff. 12 feet once again, or 3.6 meters of impact protection. So it says, as tested by our scientists, this non-slip case offers the pinnacle of protection for your phone and its camera. And then going into the whole spiel once again of the built-in hygienic protection, and then the safeguard for your camera. And then the cool thing is the interchangeable buttons that this case comes with. So we'll get to those here in a sec. And then it does offer a 1-year warranty, limited warranty, and it says registered for extended warranty on tech21.com/warranty. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys out. So pretty easy, just slide it down. So here's the Smokey Black, and then let's go ahead and do the same for the Classic Blue here. And then we'll just get the cases out. So first thing that you're greeted with inside of the cases are the interchangeable buttons here. So as you can see with the black, you're getting royal blue and green buttons because it comes with black buttons. And then on the Classic Blue, you're getting black and green buttons because it comes with blue buttons. So that's kind of cool. You can kind of change it up if you wanted. So you can do like a black power button and green volume up and down buttons, or you can do a blue power button and green volume up and down, so whatever. You just kind of mix and match them up a little bit. So that's kind of cool. So let's go ahead and get these out so we can get a better view of the case themselves. So let's go ahead and take a peek in the inside here. So as you can see, it's a semi-translucent phone case, so you can see the cross patterns throughout the back of the case there. So pretty cool little design. I like the look of it. And then here on the sides, you can see the power buttons there. And then you can see that the bumpers are semi-translucent as well, because you can see the inside of the flex shock there. So if you can see inside the case, it's all around the inside of the bumpers, as you can see on both of them. So you can kind of see when you're looking from the case from the outside, you can see through it. There's the volume up and down buttons with the port cutouts, and then of course with your alert slider cutout, and then here's your lightning port cutout, and then your speaker grill cutouts there, and then of course the back of it. So let's go ahead and slap the phone on. So I got my honeycomb skinned black iPhone 12 here. So let's go ahead and start with the Smokey Black. So I always kind of start with the top and bottom left hand corners and then just push in. And then with this case, you just kind of work it around. So there is the Smokey Black on the phone. So as you can see here, it is semi-translucent, so you are able to see the Apple logo, and as you can see there, you can see that pattern right there. And then of course you got the camera bump there, so a nice little indentation there, nice raised lip to help protect the camera bump. Then you got your your power button there with some Tech 21 branding. Then you can see the cutouts there for the lightning port and the speaker grills. And then of course here we got our volume up and down buttons with our cutout for the alert slider. So that's it for that. Now the back is a clear back, obviously, or semi-translucent back, but it does have kind of like a gummy feel to it, you know. It does really help with fingerprints, but you are still able to see the fingerprints. Smudges are probably going to be the main thing that you deal with on a case like this, so just keep that in mind. And then the side is actually a little bit of a different texture. It's not like a matte texture, but it's, I don't want to say it's like sandpaper filling either, because that's not the right description. But if you've held this case and you know what I'm talking about, it just has a little bit of a different texture. You know what? It actually almost feels like how the Pixel 5 feels, like a recycled kind of material on the side. And if you happen to hold an iPhone or Pixel 5 and then held this case, then comment down and let me know if you kind of feel the same way with that description there. But that's kind of exactly how it feels like. But it does feel good in the hand. It's ultra slim and ultra thin, so definitely adds very little bulk. Like I said, it's very slim profile there. And yeah, and then as far as my tempered glass goes, no obstructions at all with my tempered glass, so good there. So let's go ahead and take this off, and let's go ahead and put the classic blue on it. So let's go ahead and just pop that out there and slap the classic blue on. So same thing, just kind of work it all around. So there's the front. So as you can see, you can already see the blue of that case. Here's the side, so Tech 21, so you can see the blue button and the blue sides there. Got the blue back here. So once again, it's a semi-translucent color. You can see the Apple logo there as well. And then you can see the lip around the camera, which is a blue semi-translucent lip as well, which looks pretty good against the black bumper there, or black camera bump, excuse me. So it looks pretty good. Power button once again, volume up and down buttons with your cutout for the alert slider. Got your cutouts for the lightning port and your speaker / mic cutouts. And then as far as the lip goes, got a little bit of a lip. So as you can see there, a little bit, or you can push up against my fingers there and see it. So it's going to give you that, you know, confidence of being able to put the phone face down on any kind of hard surface. And the same with that back lip around the camera bumps. It's going to give you that protection and that added security of putting it back down. But there is a little bit of a wobble, not a lot, but just something to think about. It doesn't sit completely flush because it does give you that lip there. And then the same texture on the sides, so the phone does feel really good in the hand when you're holding it. Like I said, it adds hardly any thickness to it. I mean, it is a ultra slim case, so it feels very good in the hand. So just for jollies, let's go ahead and mess with the interchangeable buttons. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So pretty easy when it comes to these. So if you've ever messed with like these interchangeable buttons, so as you can see there, you got your volume up and down buttons there. So all you're going to do is really just push through, and you almost just kind of pull them out. So push it and push it, and there we go. And then what you want to do is, so let's go with the black buttons for the volume up and down, let's say. So we just do that, And then literally all you're gonna do is just match them up. So you can see they're kind of matched up there, and you're just gonna push them through, and that's it. And then now you have black buttons on a blue case. So it looks pretty cool. And then just for fun, let's go ahead and change this blue power button to the green one. So same thing, you just push them through. You get your green power button here. And then you just push it through, and voila. So now you got a green button and black volume up and down buttons. So it looks really cool. And then just for fun, let's do it on this one here, because I think the green is going to look really cool on this black case. So this one's actually taped and the other one wasn't. Oh, I see what they did here. Okay. Well, let's just destroy it. Why not? Okay, so let's do the power button. So now we got a green power button on there. I think it looks really good. And you know what, just for fun, let's do these real quick. And let's do blue, why not? So kind of the, whoops, dropped it. And now you got blue buttons. So if I slap the phone on here, which actually, you know what, even though the blue buttons look cool, I'm gonna go ahead and put the green ones on. Because I think the green ones will look really legit with it just being an all black case. Or smoky black case, I should say. So now you got the green buttons on it, and gives you a whole different look on the phone. So yeah, I love that they give you that little versatility. One thing I wish they would have done is added some gray buttons in it, just so you can kind of stick with more of the darker theme, but looks cool. So let's go ahead and do the button test. So let's do the power button clickiness and the volume up and down. So let's do the power button first. So very responsive. So now let's do the volume up and down. Very responsive once again. So let me go ahead and power the phone up, because the next test we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do the MagSafe test here. So that's what everyone's always asking, is it MagSafe compatible? So let's go ahead and check that out while this boots up. So we'll let this do this. So as far as everything goes, let's go ahead and take a peek at that now. So MagSafe test, MagSafe compatible. So there we go with that. And then it is strong enough to hold on to the phone itself, so it doesn't fall off. So the magnet does get a good solid connection on it, so it does grab really nicely. And then it's easy to find it, so that didn't give me the animation. Sometimes you almost have to wait for it to, there we go. So very easily done and accessible with the MagSafe charger. So MagSafe and Qi wireless compatible. And one thing I did forget is to do the alert sliders, so let's go ahead and do that. Super easy to do. Barely use my fingernails on this one. So yeah, so cutout for the alert slider is definitely a thumbs up on that one for sure. So yeah guys, so as far as it goes, I think this case looks super good. If you're looking for a case that's going to protect your phone, have a very slim profile, give you the added benefits of interchangeable buttons, MagSafe compatible, all that, then this is definitely a case that you should look into. Like I said, it is 39 bucks or 40 bucks basically, so around 41, 42 bucks or so after taxes. But for the money, you are getting a really good solid case from a case company that's well known for their protection and all that good stuff as far as drop protection and all that. So yeah, so there we go, guys. There is the Smokey Black and the Classic Blue for Tech 21. So comment down below and let me know if you've had these cases on your phone or the iPhone 12 or whatever other phone that you've used. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. So be safe out there.